So if you go to my store, you can download this PDF, which gives you 10 worksheets that you can use with Spike Prime. This is an example of the first one. Gives the kids some code and then asks some questions about it. And then on the back of the page or the next page, they can draw some wires connecting the different motors and sensors to the hub based on this code in the previous page. There's also a chance to join up or match the images with some terms or words or phrases. This could be for younger kids, or it could just be a good group activity where they maybe cut them out and make a bit of a poster about part of their robot and their experience. Could be just one stage of an assignment. And then there's another one where they actually have to name the parts without many clues. So that's a little trickier, probably better for the older kids. But not too tricky. Like, this is obviously a distance sensor, so you could even have the list of words up on the screen somewhere like this. You could have this on the screen and then they have to write the words in next to the right ones, something like that. And then there's just an example of some simple code that the kids need to interpret, and they can draw arrows and explain what each block does. And for all these sheets, if you go past halfway in the file, you'll see some suggested solutions. So this one asks questions about what each part of the hub does here, and they can name the important parts and then pick 3 of those parts and explain them in more detail. But like I said, down the bottom of the sheets, there's some solutions to these. Here's an example of where things should be plugged in, and here's some, there are all the answers to the other questions that we've seen so far, and some suggested solutions for this code and some suggested answers for this one. And also there is a word search and a crossword that feature early up, and some jungle words as well. So if you look back up here, you'll see that there's a word search and a crossword and some jumbled words which make a sentence down the bottom. And all the solutions are down below, which is pretty cool. And there's even a big assignment where the kids actually don't use Spike Prime, but they can reflect about their knowledge of computers and robots here. So they can write a problem that might occur in the real world, and then they could sketch a design of a robot that uses sensors and a power source and a processor and motors and things. They can come up with any design they like to solve their real world problem. And then it talks about how the robot would solve the problem. And then on the back of this sheet, you can print this next one, which is basically an assessment. So the teacher just ticks boxes in each row, one box in each row, based on whether or not the student has done things above an expected level or below an expected level. And then if you really wanted to, you could add up the scores and give them a score out of 50, because there's 10 outcomes here, and you give them scores out of 5 for each one. So that's my document that's in my store for sale. Works out to $1 USD per page, which is pretty good, because you can use them year after year if you want to, and you can use them as many times as you like in your classroom or school or home.